Meaning of Lord's Prayer.
Lord's Prayer.
Lord's Prayer.
Lord's Prayer.
Lord's Prayer. The Lord's Prayer is a Christian prayer that was taught by Jesus Christ to his disciples as a model for how they should pray. It appears in the Bible, in the book of Matthew, 6:9-13, and Luke, 11:2-4. The prayer begins with the words, Our Father, who art in heaven, and goes on to ask for God's kingdom to come, for God's will to be done on earth as it is in heaven, for daily bread, for forgiveness of sins, and for deliverance from evil. The prayer is widely used in Christian worship services and is considered to be one of the most important prayers in the Christian faith.